Humbuckler, headless body, foot, knee in our shoes. Alright, yo. Today we have one of our favorite artists, Jamaica therapist, chroniclaw. I have a song named Fada Dark. We have a happy night. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Shout out Bay Vapors for his shirt. You see me? So here no. Like, comment, subscribe. And make a jump in that video. Chroniclaw. Chroniclaw wicked artist telling up. Some know what I'm talking about. Man a wicked artist.
I come from Jamaica and come like become a pestilence in my life, you know. Bigs. What you want?
Alright, me said this before, I say it again. Your intro have a lot to do with the song. Your intro have a lot to do with how you gravitate the audience to your song. You see me? So please remember that your intro have a lot to do with your song. Now me like the intro already from Shatters. Don't know. Where's the one from me, bills?
400k, give me this Glock shit. 800k for brown. Gunpowder, I chopping on my Rolex. Smaddy, my brother touch it, Louis V shoes. Darkness.
Yo, pull that up.
I come from Jamaica and come like become a pestilence in my life, you know. Bigs. What you
No. Just this might be a little bit off topic, might be on the positive side, but is it just me or nowadays every artist just have gonna show them video? Remember back in the days, if me can remember well enough, I don't remember seeing Beanie Man, Bounty Killer, Shabarangs and them man that did have gun in them videos or show like that. Not even Ninja Man, but now it's like a norm.
Yo, singers, 400k, give me this Glock shit. 800k for brown. Gunpowder, I chopping on my Rolex. Smaddy, my brother touch it, Louis V shoes. Darkness, put a belt on the 15. Is a belt.
Darkness put a belt on the 15. If my memory serve me right, or if my gun knowledge serve me right, when him say put a belt on the 15. Why matter? One of them long automatic belt, when you shoot it, I just be a shot come, you know, if you reload it, the actual bullet upon a belt, that me a kind of mats up in my head.
We never miss globe. Feel like mama could mean a badness. Get tricked to she pretty and cute, man. Killing my move smooth with the man blows. All know them no know who's in me nine news. Headless body, foot deep in her shoes. Defend enemy.
Humbuckler, headless body, even in that. What I say? Hold on, go back.
Shoes, defend enemy, I wanna divine like crew get.
Headless body, foot, knee in our shoes.
Can't nobody even go buy soup. How you a try prove? I your own family, you're gonna disappoint you. When you hear say, millions spent on 100 feet funeral suit. Big money spent on casket. So tell me how we now lose. Remember we banned.
Yo, man, I'm gonna like chroniclaw swag is slowly getting up there. I have to commend that. Chroniclaw swag is so slowly getting up there. And as an artist, you need the image. You see me? That's one thing me sure about. As an artist, you need the image. Check man like Skilly Bang and them man there. You see me? When them man the money start coming right, man them image up there now.
And that's no we grow up on shows. Think mama couldn't do it badness. Get tricked, she pretty and cute, but just talk tough, see grizzle and mute. Make one dopey and they in a prison confused. You know one no militant youth and
Hold on, we have to go back to that. Hold on.
prison confused. Cute, but just talk tough, see grizzle and mute. Make one dopey and they in a prison confused.
Talk tough for grizzle and mute. Make one dopey. I in a prison confused. That tough.
One no militant youth and nobody can heal figure see the shoes. Rifle longer than cricket as tool and the clip them bend up like a quarter moon. You see me carry gun in a school or classroom and me rather farm sick than
Rifle them bend up like a quarter moon. Yo, that boy a body na dog.
farm fool. Yeah, me love it badness born as a dark youth. Can't see through me clip like I'm a car roof. Enough gun no never sell or lose. The ring you probably have more power than Zeus. Me no feel them dead if me no see it on news. And
The ring you probably have more power than Zeus. If you don't know who Zeus, we're gonna Google it. Zeus was a Greek god.
talk and my view. From we walk and murder right through. Kill and change me gun, me strap new York. 400k, give me this black shit. 800k for brown. Gunpowder, I chopping on my Rolex. Smaddy my bro touch it, look with V shows. Darkness put a belt on the 50. It's a belt but we never miss two. Feel like
Yo, is it just me or this nigga is just an underrated artist, bro? Like, I don't think chroniclaw get the ratings where him necessarily deserve. I don't think chroniclaw get the how me can say the international break where him deserve. chroniclaw bad artist, you know, brother. Me can't tell when last me hear an artist like bro, chroniclaw is like the new reinvented Vybz Kartel. Like I said it. I'm not trying to compare him with the man, but him just I get the Vybz Kartel, me dominant, me persistent, me lyrical, me full of flow, me full of different type of song. Better them wanna get all type of song, them wanna get a song if you're sad, song if you're happy, song if you feel bad, song if you feel like you're a bad man, me mean. Song if you feel like you wanna jump off a cliff, song if you feel like them wanna get all type of song, you know, brother. Yeah man, the man tough man.
Get trick, push it pretty and cute. Millions spent on 99. 100 fee funeral sold. Big money spent on casket. So tell me how we now lose. Remember we born for badness. And not sitting where we grow up and chose.
Remember say we born for the badness. And not something when we grow up and choose.
100k, give me this clutch. 800k for brown. Maddy, my brother, touch it, look with these shoes. No, it's a bell, but we never miss two.
Yo, what you talk about Fada? This is your blood clot marrow. Yes, my blood clot marrow.
Yo, you know so I'm my favorite scene of that movie. When you say you follow me for and say a parrot. Yes, my blood clot parrot. And I say I follow man protect your sour man.
What? When I follow the bomb, no clot, man. You don't talk. Suck your mama, man, protect your sour mama. Protect yourself, protect your mama.
Alright. Now, before we get into the video, before we get into the music and the video, like, comment, subscribe. No. chroniclaw. Say it before. chroniclaw is the baddest thing right now. Outside you know man like Massacre, Cartel, I don't yeah. Like if you're up boy, me not even want to call the man an up and coming artist, you know, cause long time chroniclaw in this thing, yeah, brother. And the man man literally make him stamp. The man stamp him name in a dancehall right now. But not even gonna lie to you. The song 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Me not even go if nor or but nor maybe so. It is a 10 out of 10. From my radar, 10 out of 10. See me? No. chroniclaw one of them artists there, yo, where a man that's coming like him there by himself, him in him own like a zone, him do him own thing. And that's one thing when we can comment with chroniclaw. chroniclaw is a different type of artist. And me always like, bro, the man they can carry you through sometimes, bro. Like you go through something in your life and you can just listen to them man the music, and them man the music can literally just put you in a different mindset. You see me? Man, music can put you in a mindset for no. So even though things like you're back against the wall, you can always there's always a counter attack, regardless of what going on in your life. You see me? And that is one thing chroniclaw established in our music, and that is one thing we have to commend. Understand? Very profound lyricist, very profound artist in a whole. You understand? So 10 out of 10, and I really hope this man get a bigger break than what him have now, because when I say an artist deserve it, him deserve it. Like man like chroniclaw, Armani, them deserve it. There are two artists where me can definitely say deserve it. Skilly Bang, you know, them man they have them break. Everybody, you know, Massacre have him break, and all them people there. But yeah. And yeah man, like, comment, subscribe, comment down below, make me know if you think what me I say makes sense or if you don't agree or if you disagree. You see me? Like, comment, subscribe. Soon at the next video.